it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all well. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video, and welcome to my brand new subscribers. And I want you guys to go over to TikTok and follow me there, because I do quite a few videos on TikTok as well. Not so much on Instagram, but I'm mostly active on TikTok. And this is a skincare and beauty channel where I share with you guys skincare tips and how I achieve my clear skin and the products that I've used and everything like that. You guys know all of that already. If you follow my channel, if you subscribe, you're going to know everything that I use on my face. And if I don't mention anything on my channel, it's going to be on my website, sassyover55.com. The link is going to be in the description box for you guys. You would find all kinds of goodies on that website. It is a website / magazine wrapped up into one. And we're going to be talking about this lash glue today. And this is a Sephora brand lash glue. And what I love about this is the fact that it doesn't clunk up on your lash band, and it doesn't get all dried up around the product as well. So it's going to be a quick show and tell today. So I do have my lashes right here. So you guys are going to see how easy this is to put on. So the lashes are right here. And of course, again, it doesn't get tight around the packaging. So again, I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the lash band. But I always like to focus a lot around the edges or the tip of the lashes. Okay. As you can see, it goes on blue. All right, and there it is. And in just a matter of seconds, I'm gonna put this on my eyes, and it really locks in pretty quickly and nice and tight. And like when you take this off, one of the things that I find is that it doesn't clunk up around your eyes that much. So I do have a little mascara on my lashes already, just to give it a little bit of a darkness. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look down. Okay, just in case this is your first time putting on lashes, I look down and I just drop this baby right on top, just like so. And to the end, I'm just going to squeeze it in, bring it in like so. And while I'm bringing this to the front, I just like to hold it like that and drop it in right there. And just like so, the lashes are on. So I like to take my hands and just wiggle them a little bit, just to make sure that the lashes are nice and on. And as simple as that, the lashes are on. You don't even have to blow on this for too long, or even blow on this at all. And your lashes are on. So I just like to also just squeeze them, and just to make sure that they're nicely tight with my lashes. Now, how easy was that? Really easy and simple. If you do see a little bit of a white, it's going to dry clear and your lashes are on. So we are going to do the other side. Again, just picking up the lashes with the tweezer. Okay. And again, I always like to wiggle it just a little bit like so. We're going to just hold it. And again, we're just going to put some glue on the band. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, and again, just mostly to the top, because sometimes you always find that your lashes are coming apart by the front or by the end. Okay, and again, this is such a lovely glue. It's very, very, very light, and again, there is no clumping when it comes to this. And I just basically just pull it aside just a little bit, just like so, in a matter of seconds. I'm just gonna wiggle, just gonna shake my hand for like 2 seconds. Let me grab the mirror. And again, I look down and I just place this baby right on top, almost to the center, just like so. And to the bottom, I'm just going to squeeze it into the side, just like so. But I'm just gonna use my hands right now and just bring this to the front. And we will stick it in. And I'm just going to use my fingers and bring it down. Just close my eyes a little bit there. And then I'm just going to use the tweezer and just squeeze them together. Voila. The lashes are on really, really, really quickly. And, you know, I can wiggle them as much as I can. It's not going to fall off. And again, if you see any white, it's going to dry clear. And the lashes are on just like so with this lash glue from Sephora. It is a Sephora brand. So I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you enjoy this video today. It's a very short show and tell video for you guys, and I hope you can pick up on this lash glue. And it's going to be down in the description box. It's already featured on my website, and I thank you guys so much for popping in today. Thank you for watching, and please come back next time for another video. Doodles!